Hi everybody, welcome to Drawing with Mr. Jason. Today, the Friday before our holiday break, we're going to do one more holiday themed drawing. This time we're going to draw Linda the holiday llama. No, really, we are. Okay, so what you need is a pencil, an eraser to erase any of your mistakes. If you want to color it later, obviously you'll need coloring supplies, crayons, markers, colored pencils, anything like that. I'm going to draw using the trusty Sharpie because it makes a nice dark line that's easy to see on camera. Okay, we're going to start with the fa-la-la-la llama. We're going to start up here in the upper right hand part of this page, and we're going to draw a curved line. And on the other side, another curved line as much like the first one as you can do. So two curved lines. Then for our festive llama's ears, curved line on each side. And then come back down. Just finish the ear on the other side, so curved line coming back down. You can connect it with a wavy line. Above that, another wavy line. Two curved lines. And a puffy ball at the top for the holiday hat. We're going to draw a curved line for the inside of each ear so we can tell that it's an ear, so that she can hear. Pause for a moment for people to get caught up. Realistically, we're going to pause several times, but I'm going to pause here for just a moment. Now we're going to draw a relatively big circle here and a relatively big circle here. Inside of this circle, we're going to draw a curved line on each one. And then a little circle on the inside of that part of the eye, and then color it in around the little circle. So leave the bottom part open, leave the little circle open, color the rest of that in. And those little moon shapes, just draw a couple of straight lines. Pull it a little closer so you can see. We're going to give her some eyelashes, so little curved lines on the outside of each eye. Below the eyes, we're going to draw a pear shape. And in the middle of this pear shape, we're going to draw a black triangle. And then a wavy line for her mouth. When we finish the neck here, we're going to draw a curved line, a curved line, connect this end, and a bunch of little lines for the fringe of the end of the scarf. Right here, we're going to draw another curved line, another curved line, connect it, and a bunch of fringe on that end, little short lines. Connect a slightly curved line there, connect that over there, Come down just a little bit on each side and connect across so that our holiday llama is wearing a scarf. If you want to draw designs or stripes or anything on the scarf, that is entirely up to you. Along this front edge here, we're going to draw the front of our llama. They're kind of fluffy, so we're going to use a wavy line. I'm going to start down and come up so I know how to get around the scarf. It'll be a little bit easier that way. So we're going to do a wavy line. When I get to the scarf, I'm going to stop, pretend, and then pick it up on the other side and finish my curvy line. I'm going to come down to where I finished and draw a slightly curved line for her front leg. And at the bottom, I'm going to draw a curved line, zigzag. I'm going to come back just a little bit, curved line, and then connect. Where I finish this hoof, I'm going to draw a slightly curved line going the opposite way that I did the first one. So it kind of wide, gets a little thinner, then it gets a little bit wider. And over here, I'm going to come down and do the same exact thing with the other leg. Come down around, zigzag, come back a little bit on this hoof, curved line, connect. I'm going to come up. For her belly, I'm going to start back where I want to finish and draw one of the other legs coming down. So I'll draw a wavy line here. I'm going to draw a straight, slightly curved line coming down, about the same distance. Draw the foot, zigzag, curve, finish it. Go up, immediately back down. About the same distance, come across, zigzag, come back up, connect, and finish that leg. For her rump, her backside, we're going to do a little bit of wavy line. So I want to go about here. I'm just kind of imagining where I want the back to go. And then we're going to draw a tail. Curve line, and then we're going to stop for a moment. Actually, just a little bit of her back. I'm going to come all the way back to the scarf, draw a curved line so that those lines are the same distance apart, and we are going to draw a big U shape. And I can draw a straight line across, and at the bottom of this U, we're going to draw some ornaments. So a couple circles, about 3 rows. When you color it, you can color those ornaments any color you want. Inside this saddle, we're going to draw another U shape. And inside that saddle, we're going to draw a straight line up and down. I'm going to draw a little line at about where the halfway point is, and we're going to draw a diagonal line and another diagonal line going the other way. And then in each of these V shapes, we're going to draw 2 diagonal lines, making that into a diamond. See how there's a diamond shape in there and a diamond shape in there? We do that all the way across. So there's just a little diamond shape all the way across on top of each diamond, just a little dash. Now, on each of these long diagonal lines that are still out there, we're going to draw more diagonal lines going out to the end. So that we have a snowflake on our llama's saddle. On the llama's back, we're going to draw a horizontal line and a horizontal line, then a slightly bigger rectangle. So it goes up just a little bit off the edge, not too far, just a little bit. And we're going to draw two vertical lines, and then see where this rectangle meets this rectangle? Let's make it a little bit darker so we know that that's a lid. On top of the lid, we're going to draw a teardrop shape going each way. Inside the teardrop shape, draw a curved line on each side, and then another curved line coming in the other way. So our festive fa-la-la-la llama is delivering a present. We're going to draw a line across the bottom. We're going to make it wavy so it looks like snow. A wavy line in the background for the mountains where the llama lives. As I got to the head, I stopped and I picked up my pen and then went across. Maybe some glaciers on top of the mountains. And then we're going to draw some circles all over the background, and this will be falling snow. I'm going fast, but you can draw your circles anywhere you want. And that is our fa-la-la-la llama. Alright everybody, I hope you have a wonderful break. Happy holidays, Happy New Year. We'll see you at the start of 2021. Alright, goodbye.